Hey, it's Jay Will back with another video. Today, I'm gonna release one of my campaigns, a winning campaign. It worked with both digistore24 and clickbank. The product is called Biotox Gold. I'm gonna sell this campaign for 50 bucks a piece. So stand by, get ready. Okay, right here, I'm in the clickbank marketplace. I'm gonna go over to the health and fitness niche. Biotox Gold, I believe, is on the second or the third page. Let's see. Okay, it's on the third page. Right here, Biotox Gold. As you can see, initial sales, I made 1,600 bucks with only 258 hops. So I do know what I'm talking about. I have a campaign. I just started my campaign today just to show you guys proof on how to make money with this. As you can see, I made money with this product. I'm gonna show a little bit more on what day I started promoting this product. Here you go, this is all the sales I made with Biotox. I started this campaign the day after Christmas on December 26th. As you can see the numbers right here. Pretty simple, pretty easy. I'm gonna give you guys the same exact funnel that I use to make these sales. You can also find Biotox Gold on Digistore. So if you have the Digistore account, you can still promote the same product. If you have a ClickBank account, you can promote the same product. Here we go right here. So go to Digistore, go to the marketplace, and just type in Biotox at the top of the screen right here in the search box, and it will pop up right here. Price average 215 bucks. You get 80% commission. So on average, you will make about $128 per sale, which is really good. The cancellation rate is only 1%, so this is a really good product, and I know for a fact it is. I mean, I made 1,600 bucks with it easy, so you guys can do it too. In the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment. I will have a link in the description to purchase this $50 campaign. Also follow me on Instagram at JWillTV2.